Hey everyone, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at the new Sigma 60 to 600mm sport lens. Stay right here. Right here is the world's first 10 times optical super telephoto zoom lens that extends all the way to 600mm. Now this and 4 other lenses were just introduced by Sigma at Photokina in Cologne, Germany. This will be available in the Canon, Nikon, and Sigma mounts. It's a DG lens, so it's full frame, but it can also work on your APS-C crop sensor camera as well, with an equivalent field of view of 90 to 900mm. Now I'd like to thank Sigma for sending us a copy really fast to get to try out and take some photos and share them with you. So make sure to stay to the end and so you can see some of the sample images and sample video that I took with this lens. In this video, we're going to take a first look at this incredible lens. We're going to go over its build quality, its optics, its features, and its performance. Let's start with its build quality. So this lens is part of the sports series of lenses from Sigma, so you're going to get that exceptional build quality that Sigma gives, like you had in the 150 to 600 sport, as well as the 500mm f4 sport series lens. Now this lens is big and it weighs about 5.95 pounds, but Sigma has managed to keep the weight of it down by using what they call multi-materials. Now there are 3 main materials. They use carbon fiber reinforced plastic. They also use magnesium, and they also use their thermally stable composite material, which can also be found in their Art Series lenses. The build quality of this lens was designed specifically to handle extreme temperature changes. This is going to be a great feature for wildlife, sports, and nature photographers. The lens is fully dust and splash proof. It has special sealings at the lens mount, also at the zoom and focus ring. They've also applied specialized coatings to the exposed elements. This is going to make sure that it repels dust, dirt, and moisture. It's also going to make it easy to clean the lens. The lens comes with a slip-on and reversible lens hood that you can simply tighten down with a locking knob. The lens also features a rotating tripod collar. Now what I really like about this tripod collar is that they're click stops, so you know where the camera is positioned. The tripod foot is removable, the tripod collar isn't, but the tripod foot features the Arco-Swiss mount, so you can attach it directly to your ball head or any tripod attachment that has the Arco-Swiss style clamp. Now on the bottom of the foot, you'll find a 3/8 and 1/4 20 thread. This allows dual mounting points for extra secure connection. As I mentioned, this lens does weigh 6 pounds, but to help you handhold this lens while shooting, Sigma provides you with intelligent optical stabilization. Now there's 2 different modes on it. Mode 1 would give you about 4 stops of stabilization for standard shooting, and mode 2 is going to give you stabilization if you're going to be panning and tracking your subject matter. Okay, so let's take a look at its optical design. You have 25 elements in 19 groups. You have a 9-blade rounded diaphragm for a beautiful bokeh effect to separate your subject matter from your background. The lens has specialized coatings, and its optical design gives you the highest performance. At 60, I noticed that it was as sharp as it was at 600. It's also going to minimize chromatic aberration that's typically found using hyper telephoto zoom lenses. The lens does give you some telephoto macro capabilities with a maximum reproduction ratio of 1 to 3.3. At its widest field of view at 60mm, you can get as close as 2 feet. As you start zooming in to 600mm, your minimum object distance becomes 8 feet. So this will give you the ability to record really fine details of your subject matter. I really enjoyed the zoom range of this lens. It really helped out when composing the shot, shooting stills and video. The AF, the autofocus, was extremely fast and quiet and very precise. And the zoom ring was really smooth. It was really easy to move the lens from 60 to 600mm. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new 60 to 600 millimeter lens from Sigma. I really enjoyed shooting with this lens, and if you're looking to get your hands on one, please keep an eye out on our website. Now, if this video helped you out, hit us up with a like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel right now. And if you're in the Miami area, check us out at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.